Good morning and welcome to another video from me, Mally, on my channel, Mally Photography. Yeah, I sound a little bit, you know, got a cold. You might be able to guess where we are, but I'll tell you. And we're at Formby. We've got glorious light and an amazing storm on the horizon. Hey up. So, I thought I'd take us for a little short one. So I've come to Formby Beach. It's a large expanse. Heads up to the Gormley sculptures at Crosby and all the way down to Ainsdale and Southport. It's very, very chilled. It's that chilled we've got rainbows. I've just took a handheld here, f8, ISO 100. Pool of water in the foreground is making a nice start to the series of lines and patterns. Line 1, then the sand, line 2, the breaking wave, line 3, the sea, and then there's this glow, slight tint of a line on the horizon where the rainbow's popping out. Lucky. So I was inspired. I come here a lot, don't always vlog it, don't always put my pictures out, because when I say minimalist, there's not much to look at, but I like them and it chills you out. Isn't that why we do this? It's not just the taking of the picture, it's the getting out, the being surrounded by the wide open space. It clears your head. I'm going to walk back that way, pull up near the trees and have a look through the little forest as well where the squirrels are, because there's some beautiful light coming through. But for now, I've left a big lad on. It's quite a nice cliff, although we have got a container ship moving now. And those clouds that are building over Snowdonia are really exciting. I quite like this funnel, and we're getting this side light as well, so it's going to illuminate the sand in front of us, of which we've got all these wavy lines. As I was just about to tell you, I was inspired by a top man called James Bell, probably more synonymous with the Lake District, but he lives local. And I'm hoping we can meet up at some point and, you know, I have a bit of a photography nut around here, because I love it here. Ainsdale, here, Crosby, down to New Brighton, Perch Rock, further round the sea defences. There's so much to shoot here, but it lends itself to a minimalist type of photography, which to me is calming, beautiful. It does something, it stirs something in me. I love that kind of photography. So James Bell, go and find his channel. He started vlogging more now. He's putting out some superb content, and he did a vlog here. No, actually it was at Ainsdale. As you can see, all the furrows and all the lines, there was a sandstorm and he was in it. He was in it with an X1D Hasselblad. Brave. What you like? Right. Love that. Very simple. compressing all the foreground, getting the wavy lines in the sand, the headland, and then the rising distance hills, mountains of Snowdonia. And yeah, bit of the white tops, the white horses of the sea, and I quite like it. Let's get it shot. Ah, this is great fun. Letting that tide just come in. Getting some stormy conditions with light crossing. And these little pieces of land. See there, the little bits of sand just give you that minimalist feel as the water wraps around it on a long exposure. So I'm only shooting with a soft 3-stop. Yeah, soft 3-stop and a 6-stop. I've been doing some exposures without any filters as well, because there's some beautiful patterns, and the water, yeah, it's smashing. What word? I don't know. The rain makes it. Getting that tide coming in and just wiping down the camera, that's how I need to cover it. And it's clearing again, so we've just had this big storm front come in and put some rain on us, and the tide's rattled right up now. I've just been taking exposure. I'll put them up at the end, some around half a second, some a second, some in 5 seconds, some at f4, some at f11, some at f16. Just playing with it, just loving it. The waves now, you're getting so much interest in them that if you flat it for the minimalist feel, you're losing a lot of contrast and texture and identity in the sea. It's got its own personality when it's like this, you know. Fantastic bit of shooting today. I'm made up, but the time's getting on. I've got a concert to go to. My little girl's singing in front of all the school today. I'm mega proud, and she'll probably see this, and yeah, she'll be going, "Daddy!" So let's get packed up. What a wonderful shoot. I'll be coming back here again, and I hope you will too. So here we are with a cutscene. Day 2, came back with the family. Over there, creating havoc on a sand dune. Conditions are awesome. The clouds that are opening up are just unbelievable. Look at this.